Mackenzie, what you got there? Is that a book? Is that a book? It's your princess book, huh? Dude, that's your princess book. Mackenzie. Oh, what does Mama have? Uh-oh. You gonna come get it? Nope. You're entertained by your book. And there's Diesel. Always close to Miss Mackenzie. Are you trying to move with the book? Oh, and down. You're reading it upside down, monkey. You gotta turn it the other way. Mackenzie, you see Diesel going bye-bye? Mackenzie Page. Hey. You gotta crawl. You gotta crawl for the camera. Ready? Let's throw this over there and see you go get it. Come on. You can get it. Uh-oh, sidetracked by a piece of paper. Kenzie, get the book. Get the book. So we can have story time. Do you have the paper that you tore up earlier in your hands? Determined. Mackenzie, look. You want these? You want these? Nope, I just want my book, Mom. Don't care about anything else, just my book. And the pieces of paper that are on the ground. I know you tore them up earlier, but we don't need to eat them. Look, there's another book. There's 2 books. Woo! Tuck and roll. You gonna go after Mama's glasses? They're right there. Yay, you got Mommy's glasses. Can we have them back? Thank you. I know, you're so determined. Look. Good job! Yay, Miss Mackenzie. Oh. Good job. Good job. Hi. Where are you going now? Yeah. Hi. I see you. Are you gonna crawl? Mackenzie, where are you going? Hey! Come here. Where are you going? Are you gonna stand? Are you gonna stand? You can do it. Hi. Good job. You're almost there. This is gonna go the wrong way, but that's okay. Good job. Oh, and you're on your butt. Mackenzie, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye to the camera? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.